In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Activecampaign to Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have your Clickfunnels account talking directly to your Activecampaign account, so your leads and customers can flow smoothly between the two. Make sure you're already logged in to both platforms in your browser before you start, just to keep things quick and easy. First, let's start inside your Clickfunnels account. From your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll see an option called Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes configuration for your workspace, including the apps and tools you want to connect. Once you're in Workspace Settings, find and select the Integrations option. This section is dedicated to connecting Clickfunnels with third-party services like email marketing tools, CRMs, and other platforms you may use in your business. Clicking Integrations will bring up a list of all the supported applications you can connect to. Now, we're going to choose Activecampaign from that list. Scroll through the available integrations until you see the Email Marketing Services section, then look for Activecampaign. When you find it, click on Activecampaign to start the connection process. If you have multiple tools listed, just double-check that you're selecting the correct one so you don't accidentally configure the wrong integration. As soon as you choose Activecampaign, Clickfunnels will prompt you to authorize the connection. Typically, a new window or tab will open asking you to log in to your Activecampaign account. If you're already logged in, it may skip straight to the authorization screen. Enter your login details if needed, then continue. Next, you'll see a screen where Activecampaign asks you to allow Clickfunnels to access certain parts of your account. This might include things like managing contacts, accessing lists, or triggering automations. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested so you understand what Clickfunnels will be able to do. When everything looks good, confirm and approve the authorization. Once you confirm, the two platforms will be connected, and you'll be able to use Activecampaign directly inside Clickfunnels for things like capturing leads and sending automated follow-up emails. If anything doesn't work right away, try refreshing your Clickfunnels integrations page to make sure the connection has fully synced.